linked up the total liberation of the African continent.
Okumanda uru, NK Obrempon Kasa, Nadichiri Tiu.
Set. And I think that I should let you know. I was waiting for the Anas video to be shown. And that confirmed the reports that I've been having all along. Officers of customs, you are Ghanaian citizens. You have to help us to build a better Ghana. But if this is the kind of behavior, this is the kind of attitude that you have, you are not helping us in any way. Indeed, today, I came to express my disgust and my revulsion at the way some of you are helping to erode the benefits that we are making or we have to give to our people. You are in charge of revenue. Every day we hear reports about malpractices, people collecting bribes with careless abandon, people who think that they are entitled to take bribes. How can we get rid of corruption? I'm not saying that nobody should appreciate the work that you are doing. But when you make it a condition, somebody should give you some money before you perform your duties. I've known Customs for quite some time. I was Commissioner of Internal Revenue. And the Anas video confirmed the fears I've had for quite some time. Look at yourself. I want to talk very frankly to you.
Okumanda uru, Okuyapimang, Epuyeman any Ghana Nidaso.
Mr. Mahama, what would you do differently to get the economy back on track?
Well, before I begin to talk about that, I was just going to chip in, what I think Nana and Co would do if...
No, I'd like you to tell me what you would do.
If they want.
That's an important matter.
If they want. if I know shortly after that happens, they'll come out and say, gentlemen, unfortunately, we didn't know the true state of the economy is worse than we think.
That's what you're telling us, John.
No.
You say we don't know.
No, that's what they're going to say.
We don't know the true
and so
facts.
all the promises we made you, unfortunately, we can't deliver immediately. Just keep your belts tightened. In the medium to long term, we shall deliver on those promises. That's what they're going to do.
Yeah, but tell me what
a lot of programs are in place already and are beginning to yield results. We put in the Gateway program. We have the Free Zones program. It's attracting investment into the free zones. Recently we cut the sod to set up a new cocoa processing plant that will process 60,000 tons of cocoa and increase the amount of cocoa that we're processing from about 20% to close to 35%. These are all programs that are in place. We intend to tackle agriculture in a new way that is speeding up irrigation projects all over the country.
We must continue the fight against corruption. Okay? It's destroyed too much, and we can't afford to allow it to continue. Okay? So we're looking up to the Attorney General's Department to collaborate with Mr. Martin Amido to ensure that the right things are done. Okay?
Okumanderu. Okumanderu.
Okumanderu.
Okuyapimang, Epuyeman any Ghana Nidaso. Okumanda uru, Okuyapimang, Epuyeman any Ghana Nidaso.
Ghana ya deshiman.
Okumanderu.
Okumanderu. Osika wo meimo. Yokoko wo meimo.
Ose. Yewo timba wo meimo. Ose. Ibiara hiya yanyo.
Okuma ndewuru. Eke obrempon kasa. Na adi chiri tieu.
Ose. I am weninyo. Ose. Weninyi se wu free Ghana. Ose. Weninyi se wu free Ghana. Ose. Gano, Gano. Ose. Ose ye Gano.
Okuma ndewuru. Okuyapiman. Epie mantem. Eni Ghana ni daso.
Okuma ndewuru. Okuma ndewuru.
Ose ye. Gano. Ose ye Gano. Ose ye Gano.
Okuma ndewuru.
Ose ye Gano. Ose ye Gano. Enti mawe ninyi se wu free Ghana. Mawe ninyi se wu ye Ghana ni. Mawe ninyi se wu free Ghana. Mawe ninyi se wu ye Ghana ni. Ghana ya deshiman. Ose. Ghana yo man fefe. Ose. Osika wo meimo. Ose. Yo koko wo meimo. Ose. Yo damo wo meimo. Ose. Yo timba wo meimo. Ose. Bibiara hiya yen yo. Ose. Bibiara hiya yen yo. Ose. Enti I am winning you. Ose. Winning you say u free Ghana. Ose. Winning you say u free Ghana. Ose. Gano, Gano. Ose. I was here and you marry and walk up a bill. They ba Okuman Radio 97.1 megahertz. Ebrason. Say ya de Okuman Deuru Kese. Aye bon wo kwape meme meshita de fa aye omanga na fa na ha nyina ebrason ye ngatra se ye ba be som wo kwampa so se ne se ne fata da bibia wa biem na wotemenka meme wakwa ba pi mfa sanka kasa firi no ma ye ni sa adwumadi mfem bom na nkopem se no wotwe be bo no behu sampa wonso waka ho be wo de wadwenkyira boa mo kwapeman apoemantem ni omanga na woni kasiye mu no afa ne ntama pa bi ade afira Mr. Kwaku Boachen I am executive producer of Jumedi so afei Nana Kwame Imperi I am programs manager the entire production team a wahihye Jumedi amame K Brown McFadden Okuman Bruni afei Zigibi ewo MCR abusiame akasa me di Jumedi ho chiame meeting at the NK Obrempong the tutudakpe and mampong kontonchi de se kronkron ediana twea abrade de se asona branti a wogimanyado okwapeman nyina piesie okwapeman kanea enanyumire nso abusia matranse ose me ba be som wo kwampa so se ne da ne da nyina me ye no koko o meimo ose na ene megina konya yiso na me di njia kese pa yewo timba wo meimo akwama mahimfo mempanifo akese pa ewo eye late aguapema ya ose ya mi grom aya mo aninyo ejie di kan koma nana obrew ado dodo na frɛ no otafrija ose wa ba oberemedin oyire nji aka nyure yi ohine ba bibiara wa nyumre yi enke oberempɔ mi se nyankopɔn enhyira wa mempene da afe bafo labi abebio edum hene wo late kubase bafo labi abebio edum hene ewo late kubase ene mehia me papa ankasa mehia me nena mehia mabusia wo bereku amiko piem wo late akuapem ene anopai ahimfui just near aya wa yemeno enke obrimpo me hu ne yemenka onyankopon ne nananom nyina mom ngira mo ye wo mama hoden wo mama nyinche wo mfasika mpeso mfamamo mudo nipa mane ye fedodo late ahimfo ne mfayefo Yakupon ngira mbebre afa eye man Salome bafo labi abebio ne yire papa man Salome enke obrimpo mi je ye pa ana fe kwakubudu nyina mo la tek ya pemene be pue mu wo ho mo ma me ni je yie pa Yakupon ni nananom nyina nhira ye nyina na enkunimdi ahoden sika yedi bibi biara enye ye nchefa mbenfo medam asibebre Abusia nanso yankomo ne dawson yankomo ne bebre ye bebo moden ya buruburu ni nyina so bako ye dia asomo kwa peman ne omanga na nyina bomu National Food Suppliers threaten a year picketing Education Ministry Abusia ne bebo moden abawuram National Food Suppliers for was what person why you picketing demonstration what person work for Education Ministry work for your side each one edentia omadi na jebre ye be bawuram ye be friend panyimfo aba na fe won aba ba kirem den na si den na akoso enti enei National Food Suppliers Association for what said there be what person what do woni kirem Education Ministry no why demonstration why picketing bi kire won ni jedi pass and maybe akoso anya won there we say beje nchiremu Supreme Court aye Ghana omang mu ha court a esopa court nyina batan any Supreme Court or in nsem bia ba betugwa o se obon hu dawuru aka kire Ghana man nyina omang ba bia wo yo Ghana ni ana wonye Ghana ni kura no abetena krom ha nkran de a eye ye mmara na wo se wudi so Ejo aka na ye nyina ate ni ye hu say who use dildo, who use vibrators, who use any object, any tool, any equipment, any sexual activity. What embramu no senya natural dia and na embra wo ho ase wo kire wa ebetimi adiunya enti mo use vibrators mo use dildos mo use niema bebre eba empem agoridi ennem agoridi a enye mbra kwan so enye natural te sese ne nko oberema be hie obia nanka won atimi edi agori mana ye fe no se wode ne nte sade a ene na omanyimu batan court batan o se min kanjira o se efine kwa wati wo ye bi ajai sa nyesa na se wo kire wode a ene na abusia enyo bi na kuma ntwi eyebu asiako ana odinity ade akyerema efise emra wo ho a ekasatia dildos vibrators na eya mibisa saniema efa hin na ebekro weim efise se yemra yamamra yen akyekeren eyade ekasaditia saniema yidia niema bia eba omangnimu no ye won nkrofo a wo checke say we esafata say wuro manga na mu yana enti wonga wo checking no wonye won adwuma yie anasa niema no efahi na eba manga Ghana mu abosia Supreme Court won sa so mu awani ebabere yie pa wani ubedi efise womrem no emma ho kwan wo manga na ha eno se ebeje bere yane emranimfo bedi ho nkomo sa na tini obi be hu ni se nka me ya me human right me na me de me body ejinga ne me de be ya de efa Supreme Court ho ben na so da bi Supreme Court se mrem no wuntimi ende ho sa wo ye bia wo be kire wo abuja sitag for our call strike what in a few was there be one condition of service one allowances and niema bebrebi won ebisa bangam abang bezo de bema on nti wo kwatena afie na abuja mene o kasai won asaba strike ni bibia won akwale ne off won redraw when na bi mu ka say ana waka say July won tua sita foka won fa won sika ma won ti na won redraw na na empanyfo se wogusu di won komo won redraw de na mom ansa na wo beba abonte aba be kasa asem yi hu bibi no won kasa won empanyfo no sita agfo empanyfo no e wo se wodi nkomo enti se wo wi a eno so ye beba wuram na de enti asita agfo woko tena fie because wo se abang no ade di won kan ketenkete bi ni niema bi enkoyie e wo won adwuma wo ye no mu nti ana wo ko fie no de enti na ne won atwe asan abang no di sika na ba ana den na akoso His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, our son here Frank Atufu, they ma aye New Patriotic Party no. MBP Amanyoku no den sembia ba betugwa. O se Nyankopon ye na dom na afia ba ye kwakoto. Aye 7 December 2024 general elections e ba so man Ghana mu ano. Se ye kɔ na ye kɔto aba na Ghana fo enya gidi ni awrehemu wonimu no otimi betena so o mampahini wo man mu dia ene na akuafo mate de na ene na akuafo ye munyesu ye Dr. Bawumia se oba be mamo tractors eno be increase productivity no fu anka ebia wo de wan hoden bedo no tractors no betimi aboya o matimi yiye fi won 10 di amawo His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia and flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party and what is saying semi atugwa busia many of say wodi wani chirem wa Akuapem South Krobi a friend Adam Robert won ayo ye kire kese papa edi afa won akwan a enye ho Adam Robert fu aye oye kire a enya asam ketu a oye kire ni din eda so eye no road no vote Adam Robert fu si no road no vote say won anye won kwan a mo pa de afi ballot boxes no won hwe ba bi o de be fa mo won fa bi nwura Adam Robert se won meto waba won ani ambri ya enne demonstration a woyen demonstration Adam Robert for aye no ultimu sampa afedi asem no amen won ntia wase wo babonten no wo beto ntesu kokko de kiro man no no wo sampa won so woni abre ntia afi se wanye won kwan amon dia wo de won for won ballot box no mo fa makra efisa nya dia won Adam Robert fo obekwa akosala se wobeto waba busia abuja se obeka kaya 2019 wobera COVID shasi se unity na ba ye no Ministry of Information tama COVID ko wie ya yesese COVID sika nya ye de ye no wobeka kire beto abonten wobere ko a Auditor General's report de bai say Ministry of Information etia ne adwumayefo 151,000 Ghana cedis as COVID allowance. Sasami Auditor General report beto abonten grofo shase kasai. Wo se eba ne den eye den hua and they see wo eye Ministry of Information wo adwuma bang na won hua de wo ye ya e wo say 151,000 Ghana cedis and what did you want a year allowance? Information Ministry na ba bonting won aba ba kirekirem enyuma wo ye during COVID no a ema wo yi sa sika potirin adutwa won adwumayefo minority dom kuma a wo mra sebegwam wori nsem bia ba betugwa obeka ya nansen His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ekoka nsem bi se nkebe ya anko hia John Dramani Mahama Frank Atufu de ma NDC amanyoko no anko hia no obeso ne ye debate Dom Kuma Omra Shebegwem, minority no. Honorable Kisley, Atu Hayford, Nedi Wankang, what in Sebia Babetuga? What's a driver's mate is not qualified to debate an experienced former driver. Minority for Naka sense, what's a driver ni mate, Afena, what's your Jumaye, Opeka Aka. Esi deng na wo se wo be debate driver ni a wono wasua djuma wakaka mfia nan with 4 years experience na wakwa tena fie esi deng na driver mate wo se wo be di wo pese wo ne eye former driver wakaka ni bi pen eco debate minority say dabi sa debate no e maso. It is Excellency the Vice President and flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party unforget a year debate in 17 and Nyadia will be jatum. Lemon say up a debate and pampadia media budget review or the abbey. A moment in Umbra Parliament. Now for one in Intinum, not in some way woman one in your debate one. Then yes sir, mate a Fred driver. So 1 year a year debate. Afi ni ye all African Games ewo aye Ghana Accra ya enkramem nesi ye Legon ne mpatem anasa all African Games iba so krowa horo foforo bebre ebe kan oman Ghana hom yedi yesi sa kan mane ye fe na 28 hotels aye sports ministry ekojije sa hotels yi ede som na ahoho mini woka say be pemon ne won sika nkoi enti hotels yi ba bonten wo se woni ambre woje won sika de free sports ministry ho ene sports minister babekasa honorable Mustafa Isif what in Zambia babetugwa o say we will pay the 28 hotels when we get fans. Also, 1-to-1 boy, I say, Wogusa, what to Tonyama. By all means, a caddy at Dawa. Chene beti match a name of bro. Into 1-to-1 boy, say, when yes, captain. We bet you are scaring in Adiama hotels. Hotels, if we insist, Debbie. Once 1 year, what the bell running one companies. So, what can Sika Quaco these sports ministries know how one san kind of Busia? Na ano ayading ye pa enti wo momoden no one fa won sika emma won esambe to gwa say ye Paralympic team sebi won an won wadi dem kakra won nan ni won san ade a won so wotimi bobo wotimi tumirika wotimi ye sports wotimi ye athletes kakra no akonya bedam e wo Norway Oslo abrochimem senka wonko no wonko ngosi akan obusia obi ehun ne bai obi nti ase team yi kopie wo ha nsem bebre na apai na wotwe yen de hunkomo yie pa wo kasa firi so sesi amene wo de kasa ide sports minister e ka kire wonga ni abra wo say sports ministry na timi atena ha ma sabi enkrofo bi etimi aye forgery won etimi aye fraud akọ aye Norway embassy akọ jevesa akọ du Norway a akansi na nkasa wo se wo kọ no wanko wori no obi agwan we na aye sports minister abeka se dabi aye Norway embassy funu na anye one checks ye won anhwehwe mu ye se enkrofo no wo ba na mpa aye sports ministry na ama ho kwan se wo betima tu sa kwan na ko represent o man Ghana na ana wo de won wadwen ana aba wo pese wo de biti na wo tu kwan no abuja sensemi ene ne keka ho bebre ana nei ye ngasi ho nkonwa ye ne mo baba be che na enne sana medi kan kai no me call latte akuapem na many men payfo ekodi eye enkomo na me fa kwan ne so kwan a wogusu a woye dia ma eye latte akuapem okay abusia yen kwan homa no sisi yen kwate enkomo we emfa emfio yen Mr. Kwaku Amedume or a spokesperson Dima a National Food Suppliers Association. Yan in Kokoni in Common Fe in Comobi or on Yanti Tumfio. Mr. Medma Yama Kwaba de Command Radio 97.2 Grapim.
But just so me and I say,
Yanko Pada Roma, Yagususum Okwapamai, Yahunsi Yepa, and also Muntedengo. Yeda Yankopon Ase. National Food Suppliers. Deng Ness in Tia Mopese, Moya Picketing, our year education ministry sabri.
You ready? Make now the case you so at here, Obibiara would say, Yanka in Bray. Yes, I'm near baby, but not on the top answer.
Okay.
When you say, Yajuma, Yajuma, Edima, buffer stock, any commodity exchange. Na omuna eto ebunu efi ho edima education for na education for this our ban ho na atisa ma omuna om di amaye enti nhihye wo ho ne se wodi nyama oni aduane no ko baby omuka se papa na within 3 months I was say aban pe sika de mawo na sika na timiche ebitimi di 5 months ebitimi di 6 months ebitimi di 8 months. And so it's Canaba. Now, in himself, he can't buy a buying at 2-3% tax. Even though a Juma and I say a form Yaman or Akofa a crafty. At the supply man and buying a Nikani Pepemo and Kayan and Kayan, say a tax, but a tax 3%. What's the tax, you know? Mako di bush atuto di anya begu ho sama edu a yedi ska bate pa bremeno na wasa teme another 3% ebi kra de wasa watini 20% wonte me sika no kranya de a wo ni metna se aka tem se bu sika ya mede be wodi mede ma we mi tibia ade aye we ana se woni me nka ho sem isu wako ka tra ban ade mi invoice akwa ban se nkofo aye supply mami skampa nko tiomo abaya ma usikene bia obe wa be do office no now depend it see who at amanfo sika so without any justification without any reason mother ejuma ye no ejuma na dey pa o ejuma na dey pa say uwa ko nam ejura brom na hafo efuom aboabo aduane ano and I yes, I buy the emo to cast a paco as money. A wow, Sika, Busia now, papa, Wacopo Busia. Yeah, the interest are so. Would now the bush at 20 and now Bob Wano. At top back, tax, added weighing skills as Tiano are winning in a. Would they be what their mark car? I would be Google only by the school was I saw Boppa, a tearing in our car. And Sana, would the way be like when the cockrana waiting and so on, I thought, I'm a was what the best of so and I time will be la amount of the card here. The kind of could do so within 8 months, Grana, the kind of my now a couple down, now ye Jojo. Now, Obidio Sim kind of office. Now, what to do, sick and so. Yampany. Next week, Omehu.
Okay, Mr. Medma, now, say, Deng Pana Mopesa Education Ministry, no, 1 year from my National Food Suppliers Association.
Yeah, Sika.
Your call has been put on hold. Please wait. Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Mon friend, you, mommy. Okay, Abusia, hello, Mr. Medman Bacho also. No, Bacho Monsan friend and mommy bio na ye intimi and come on, I'm saying na sona akoka. You know, Abusia, Mr. Kwaku Medman or a spokesperson, they ma a year National Food Suppliers Association, Ananka or Kanisem, Wanga Wama Eduang Education Ministry na ebi wanso wori aba schools munya deno. Won nsem bi ekoso a enye wonde a na ame na odeka sei wo se na wotwe besimi wo pese wokọ ho wɔkɔyɛ demonstration wɔkɔyɛ picketing no sɛ wɔn sikasɛm a education ministry no wɔte wɔn ne nsɛm bebree ne ade no nyade a wɔn ani agye ho nti ɛbɛyɛ anka education ministry no wɔnyɛ ɛyɛ biribi foforɔ abusua ti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi anyana na yɛatoa nkɔmmɔ no so na afei biribi atumi ayɛ kamakama abusua nti sɛne na meka no ɛnɛ mekɔpia mu wɔ latɛ akuapem me kuro foforɔ a mahu sɛ mesan firi latɛ nso sɛsɛyi na abusua mefa akwan no so already yɛngɛ dikan ayɛ several coverages ɛwɔ latɛ kwan yi a wɔhyɛ ase se wɔyɛ no yɛn ayɛ coverages bebree akasa fa ho asɛ sɛsɛ de atadwefoɔ wɔ latɛfo wɔn ate dɛ okwapeman ate dɛ nti nka ɛyɛ kama na nokware na abusua menim ne asi ebisa me fa kwan ne so nɛ no na kwan ne so ayɛ din kakra menim sɛ breki kakra na abade a nokware ni sane yɛ nɛ adamrɔbɛfo wɔ akuapem south wɔn ani abere a wɔyɛ ɔyɛ kyerɛ wɔyɛ dede ɛfa ɛyɛ wɔn akwan ho ɛne ade no mɛsrɛ mpanyinfo sɛ adwuma no ma wɔnyaw ɛnsi hɔ ɛyɛ latɛkwan no ma wɔnyaw mu na wɔnyɛ biribiara kamakama abusua yɛnkɔ ahama no so na yɛne ɛyɛ lawyer Kwaku Pentel ɔyɛ constitutional lawyer yɛne nini nkɔmmɔ mfa ɛyɛ Supreme Court ne nsɛm yi a ɔde aba bɛto gwan ho lawyer Pentel yɛmakɔ abade ba Ɔkoma radio 97.1. Hello, lawyer. I'm about to make a. Hello, lawyer. Hello, lawyer. But your monson friend, be you, ma'am, and mamma. I'm say on Timinka. It's a sinner American. Paying phone share. Your best share. Because I kwangi, ada watch a year pa. Tinoquari, da machines, chassis, so. Okay, lawyer Bahamana son, my yen and Gaza. Lawyer, me call about the Ɔkoma radio 97.2 across Kwapem.
Yeah.
Me ba cho na umpom ti dan anyimre yi.
Erada do mo hoye.
Nyankopon adaro ma yenso ye hu ye wa ha pa.
Amen.
Okay. Lawyer enkomo bi ababa to gwa se eye Supreme Court ade nsem bi ababa to gwa o se sei se uyusu eye vibrators, uyusu dildos, uyusu adibia enye natural na eba na mpem wegori berima ne ba nhia mu niema na embra betimi a kyerew embra ani ubedi sa asemi waye mra nimfo waye constitutional lawyer mba cho boye njirimu kakra
yo am the was some na rekano no kwa na da mensami na ba bedegwa wambra enyipa bi wokɔ Supreme Court de embra bi a owo oman mu dada anya de foforo ya sam foforo na mbom no court na wokware no na mboy na Supreme Court man no na mama asam no abaya sam foforo pede oman bia wo bibia wo fro no Ghana ha yo bia fa no criminal code only embra a yetintim wo oman mu a adibiara yankasa yepede oye mretia anasura adibia embra ma ho kwan de nyipa beye no anu ne yefa no criminal code and the yefa no criminal act nti no wo oman mbrem no adibiara onye criminal code mu no won tumbo kwedu obi no tum for court nkaka de aye bibi a o tse de membre anu yefa no criminal code and criminal act enti no mbrafam no asana obi botum odo akagina court da madi aye mbratia no owo de nyipa no otum ye de o point out clearly what criminal code ni mu section this and section this na then otia the musuban ana otia the mabrabo enti mfatu ho mepede mede mfatu mede to ho ma etefu no what asam na siye enti no adiwia aye against the criminal act and so BPS dabani bebre kidnapping mechema ku wa wo ye ku wa wo ye dem wa wo ya de hona wada de amafo ni nyina wo criminal code no corruption ni nyina na makoba inde mmebi wo man mu dada ekotia damandamandama no da bo abobɔ bodin no na oya odu baby a nipa bi sutubu court there baby owo ho dam no oya then otetsia nipa fa hodedo na fa hode no Ghana ya fa hode na ono ye constitution na ye wo no enti obade nipa bi na woda sami woda kada Supreme Court wan sam no ne tete be nyina ye de damandama na Criminal Act oya then oye bon anaso de iya obotwewa so wo man Ghana no damandama no otetsia amafo wo fa hotedo se edetu ye 1992 constitution na ono na Supreme Court wa hwehwe ma na webuatiawa mekatiawa onye de oya court bu asama senti wotinado wodi bu asam no nye de bia na obu asam na wotum dini nyinara wodi tugwa na dam na yekwa kaye inti Supreme Court wa ba kirem de dam mbra na nyipa bi de ba de won bongu anada wonyin fiham oman brem no Supreme Court anjantum na mbom no senti wanjantum no ho reserve anaso de yamahon be kakra bi na ofa ma motugwa inti sense ara menyoro kasei da kakra motu ma kirem nye de enyipa na nti wopere wobo damndama nugu no port anje ho antum na sentra ogina do ama court na anje antum no wose yentwa kakra bi na wode dam ayi no sentra wode kira wode bo mbre no wanje why the wanje asam na wode bo court na antum no wode babra hen enti kakra mepede mekirem no de ye wombra wo man mu a ye wono efa no natural canal knowledge kede endema bi o ho sabi ayi nyipa obanyini obada nyipa bi so wona makwa horodo na wakasa wode de mayije no wode mo wakasa wo ho wode ndem wode shisha wo ho wode ndem wode nunu wo ho wode ndem bi na wagana mbrem no ayi andema ayam manu onjitum enti ono no sentra wanje dam asam na antum anara wo bo dam asam no gue no gede emi na wo yenya botel kakra bi na sentra da menyoro kasei what it means in there dam mbra na wo ho dada no Supreme Court say onye yembra no onye ni hia anaso de oyembra pa wo de okwada wo de yedwuma enti mo wetie fonti won ho ase de ndega na yigbe ya abama enyipa tutoto vibrators ndama mesiafo a wode hye wo ho masabi oye de onyi benyere da ma o mena yije ama wasi ne ehioba bi no kuro bi a nearest police station yinu ko na odo ha na wode ko kwota na wa ko kirema a kirejej ento am there asam me pena me twenesi a da mara na maka no
okay
so wa some bi safofu bi so motu me you ano
okay yawo human rights yi mranso wo krom ha sa semi lawyer eno nyade eno so ebechechi a nipa no won fa ho de esu ara because obeka say o nanka me body a nti me hyedem nanka me ye made a nti anka dengi na wose mra eti me cheme ana sa mra yi actually obi says ya lawyer yade obetima afa ho akọ jail ana say ye sika bi ana wo be jail no wa kofie
yo mechem kaka ono ye de o man bia wo ho kwan de ho akasa wo betintim ho akasa wanembra o man bia o ntadibo ha ma for instance polygamy Ghana ha mo botum benyin botum awar mesiafo baye 4 baye 5 kemo futumu war up to 5 ni nyina Ghana ha eye ontiamra but ekọ abrochirmema etiamra it's the first point that all the years are saying there ade biara yɛbɛgya atum anaa yɛngya atum no ɔgyina ɔman no akasa no mbra na yi no yɛakasa yɛ parliamentarians anaasɛ yɛakasa yɛ abɛguafo na wɔkatra parliament na wɔhyehyɛ dɛ within Ghana no dɛm no mbra ma ho kwan ɛyɛ very simple nti no anya da yɛwɔ universal laws bi dɛ biribi wɔ hɔ ma ɔma biara kwa the same thing ɛnyɛ nokwar nti no Ghana fo no yɛankasa yɛatena ase yɛahyehyɛ dɛm mbra yɛda ama yɛn ho dɛ woyɛ ɛyi unnatural canal knowledge that is kwan a nnipa bɛfa do a sabi ɔnyɛ benyin na besia bɛhyia wɔ mbra kwan do please benyin na besia hyia no koraa po no yɛwɔ rape yɛwɔ nnɛma no so nyinara kotia mbra nti ɛna ɔman biara wɔ biribi a yɛbɛfrɛ no criminal act anaa criminal code dɛ ma no yɛfrɛ no no nti no mbra fam no da ɛwɔ criminal code no mu no ɔno na wɔyɛ dɛ yɛde yɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana ha dɛmaa na kɔ biara so ne mmarima na ayɛ section 104 of act 29 na yɛfrɛ no criminal offences act anaa nka na yɛfrɛ no criminal code no unnatural canal knowledge that's kwan biara nnipa bɛfa do a yɛka natural a kyɛ dɛ meyɛtwa ne kwan a Nyankopɔn nankasa ɔbɔ yi ɔhyehyɛ yi ɔtietie de ma benyin na besia kwan a wɔfa hyia ade biara a ɔpatel dɛm ade no ho no yɛfrɛ no unnatural canal knowledge na unnatural canal knowledge no with a person below 60 years no brofum no a first degree felony sambre so mu say you are to be sentenced to imprisonment between 5 to 25 years na sutwa ho no wo so mu hwi de enam kwambon bi do kwambon ni dambra na akasa sɛ yɛ kwambon de bra no ahyehyɛ odeso de mbra ma ho kwan wo so mu hwi ana ma kyerɛ no between 5 to 25 years on the court de bɛkyɛw ɛyɛ wa wo de na da mensam no na da wo yɛ suma de na ne keka ho no ane na mbra no ɛwo de ma me kyerɛ bibi ɛwo ya kamra mbra no ɛyɛ something sense for instance. You remember there for how many years? Ghana Krano, Yashisham Rebi, I have found marital rape. Marital rape there. Benin wala awar wayel in unity na amfa opiado ana opia kwan ana there. In Tase Kwando, na any obana da a your offense wa Ghana ha. A your offense na obey your offense. Ghana fu filter tin yin da membra no. Na Ghana flan ya yɛtena hɔ koduru baabi a yɛyi gbe ne yɛnyimdi na ne keka ho baabi akɔkodu no yɛre yɛn besiafo women's organizations ne keka ho wɔn madam asɛm do yɛ kware ma ne so ɔba bɛyɛ mbra wɔ man mu da wara woyere awa ne po no sabi fa no na amfa no na ne pedo ne kwando ɔno kra yɛ ɔtiambra na whether there since adamembra yi ɔba Ghana no wa convict me nyoro kase de ma me hyeda me nyim de wa convict obi wo da membra na ase da me de me nyim na pom no embra nyi ma kase yare ya amman abaguafo akwekohia wode na matoto ho na ye nyina wa ja tum de the ma di iya otiambra ntina in the law criminal law no say atipia you cannot find in the criminal act and in the criminal code there otiambra no won't do one that won't punish one. In the criminal act, and answer there, Quenya, Yadin pa, Yadu court there, Adibia, why ye, I'm Retiano, or what that one can say, it to me should the whole criminal act and a criminal code nimu. Na it to me to the that section so, or could see the Missubai, another Mabra boy, another man of tree, another the Mindiano, it's a criminal code, no. Sɛ ade biara ehunu wɔ mu no obi ntumi ho asotwe ɛnti no ma wɔ hɔ dadaa na asotwe wɔ ho no na nnipa bi akɔ ho Supreme Court dɛ mɛsɛ kyerɛ me yɛn yibue ne yɛn yimde anaa mɛ constitution ankasa no ɔka fafa ho di na ade ho no ɔwɔ de wɔtwa dɛm mmerɛ no mu Supreme Court si yɛnyɛ wɔn adwen na sɛntir a yɛnyɛ wɔn adwen no yɛ reasons anaa sɛntir no mo ma hɛn mi kakra bi yɛde babra ho. And she says, no, them American. The Supreme Court, one kasa, what the one reasons what did you do? One did the mass am now to what the boat to go. I mean, no win and you won't. Nanyini Adjuno, and Yin Adjuno, only in the Supreme Court. It's no 10 years. Yala Amabo Gofuna Casano, the fact the Supreme Court no Abaka the Marsam no, it does not mean the end of the matter. So Yakasa Yamabo Gofuno, one Casasu won him, Jim, no one and Semina, one Chechimuna, and answer one Tassimino. What just did there? Ye do baby, oh, what a yambra. I could say the Mendamana and answer the Yamama, Mafia, the Mufahudino, one Casa, one Braboma. On a one was on the dinner was where that one Casa, what a parliament to her, no way am Rafufur, not on Madame Mukwano, and see Kaka Mepida for the master no. Okay, not just say, oh, my auntie, as I say, you know. Oh yes, who use vibrators in the way now and running so much. A bit of jail between 5 to 25 years. Okay. Okay. Vito. You better ask me where you ran in Chimuka Kama or the Ababedumi or Kuma Radio. And to catch a wait for no one way you do Sumadino. Or Bill Suwom say she as some at home. Martin lawyer, it has to be. Thank you. Okay, you. I was a lawyer, Kwaku Painter, a constitutional lawyer. I know the same semi. About domain, the same chimney, Abachayan free to say, Uyobia, we use vibrators, we use dildos. Na one sheni, na obihu, be our shadem, now we ye, because I need about Miss Dem and Abel. Obi enemy so better many dengnum. Then so shall we ush, we are, we so be quaka, Tira police for na se waba to. Ne ekita poti ne ekita wa ewoso me ba chaw kai ne hu na hye ne nso say between 5 to 25 years, that is wo behwe ne kesen na wo de edi sa adwuman na wakwa akotwerem wo ba bie wa wo hu say wo se ofo berema na wo ne netena na mo bobra abusia ha eye Okuma Radio 97.1 megahertz Okuma Dawuru ana yeguso ebo ede akire wo no midin de enke obren podwumadi mi na mi di ho chiamen ye dan ye ho abasesi ana afi de aka biara ye de ababa besomo El Shaddai El Shaddai
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on the Common Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-filled songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dancy Diebre. Come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have Kids Bible quizzes, Kids Memory Verse recitals, Kids Bible readings. Remember, this program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yinshia na yentronto nyame yenanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Why ye bia mayen? Ma yinshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same by the power.
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumekwa woro se. Sa opese ye bo nema wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na opese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena opese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na opese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na opese ye be fa live ewo Command Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyin ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 o Command Radio ana okriape mayano
Okuma Dawuru okuyape man epie mantem ene Ghana ni daso
hype, lyrics on the beat.
Okuma in the room.
Niamu pese muhunu enu ne muyi. Niamu pese mutinu enu na masugusi. Niamu pese muhunu enu ne muyi. Niamu pese mutinu enu na masugusi. Yensho. Yebe una say. Yebe una say. Yensho. Yebe una say. Yebe una say. Anti so say abonting no nim say ni dua ho funtu mu asamba ta twene ma ne ho abasem rasta bie na no kasem papa we say we di atem from Gold Coast to Ghana still ye ni mana ya ja one person we di economy oh why Ghana osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah me ma dem refedie unyuma pa na we na ka ye to me wie rasta la yaka telecom aka ECG aka sugar factory na made in Ghana goods na ya de China bo ho kwa o man na Japan dem pa ni fu bi de chele kwa ye wo gold ye wo diamond and silver ni nara ayekwa fango na yetu wo men ni mo hye ayekwa tete kwashi me ma dem the founder of Coco in Ghana munyuma bana mo ya na ayaka ya mo pese mu hunu enu na mu yi nia mo pese mo tenu enu na masugusi nia mo pese mu hunu enu na mu yi nia mo pese mo tenu enu na masugusi yensho yebe una say
Okay, abusia be afei. Right now the Okasafri no ato aha your command radio 97.1 MHz. Okuma Dewuru ana yeguso ayebo na yenga kan se de pepepe na ye de akiro midin de enke obrempon jimedi me na medi hu chiame. Glorian Pub and food joint wo se bra bedidi bra benom nkwampa bra na bedi fufu benku bra bedi omutu wo wonkwan ahoro bako se do nson 17 udu wa se open kita opa benkwa ope nkate se ope bunabunu nam bi a wo hwehwe se yenwuram nam nsum nam asase so nam abusia Goyland sebra no obem wadidi ni wafili ehope na okwapeman mu ha won ahyeda konkro mako dun sunwa wode kyekere okwapeman akohwe obia nkwan a ope na nani gye ho ana waba abeye bi ewo ahwerase akuapem Flower Junction nti udu wa abomoden na wura ho kodidi uya freme na damase frewon wo number yi so na fe bomoden a kodi aduampa ma wokra ntone yem 0242 271 735 0242 271 735 Glorian Pub and Food Joint so say aduampa fie didi good na feel good Zinaida medicine counter assistant training college na sabere yi wobon kai dia for kwapemem dia for mangana baby biara wote yenka wo hwe live on Facebook na wotie sa message dia Zinaida medicine counter assistant training college and what sent in semi etugwa wo say eye wo da yeso wo pese wo ye pharmacist and now within wo pese wo ye pharmacy assistant a obetima tonru e wo counter chi wo breko obi aba na okuta ne prescription or the amount say ye ru we e ana bi de man dia and na Zinaida medicine counter assistant training college e de aba de amount wo ba be kire sene ubetimi asua sa pharmacy adwumai na wo so watimi agina counter chi na afi watimi aton eye enupa de amankrofo anom anya ahoden bomode na hu se eye 2024 admission egusu koso e Okofodia campus registration e bie de den a second badge admission kra gusu a ekoso de den ntina fie se adwuma ni ho one school fees bo anyedin kakra bi ye wo forms ni bi e wo eye Okuman radio ha 97.1 ubedu front desk a ye beton forms ni bi ama bako eye 50 Ghana cedis for na afi wato akofi akofele uwi afo ni kire Kofodia na frɛ wɔn numbers yi so na direction a wo hia wɔn fɛma ko na ko register na bibia entimi enye kama one numbers a obetimi anya wɔn wɔ so 0242 786 581 0242 786 581 and I say 0244 668 241 0244 668 241 Zinaida Medicine Counter Assistant Training College. Asi we serve to save. Abusha yeguso ewa ha yesom okwapeman ni oman Ghana nyina fefefe ntia kase pa mfen koma eye ofa Kwame Yansa ewo mampon akuapem aterim de hye kronkron dodo na afre na punchman ba one unye firi ase di no ntimi mmɔ enti wofa ba biara wo de hye kronkron enke obrenpon mitia wa anwumire yi pa nyankopon enkyira wa mempene da afi osebo wo mampon akuapem so beye pork ama opa no wa filia enya de keto akra abusia yegusu tia yesom kama yenya mpanyifo enne ye ne ombedi dwumadi no ba kwa ba be kan yensa wa ha yemmo wuram na yenhye yen komontwetwe no ase Mr. Patrick Clinton to Mr. Patrick Amponsa no friend Clinton or your deputy youth organizer de ma MPP Amanyoku no Osun Kokroko e wo Akuapem North constituency wa honorable Mwakwaba
Obrenpon me Joseph papa
na umpom today
nyame adom me ho ye
nyumre sese muti bright no mo ye fe pa like usha na ekoso
yo ni edi kan me de enchia echi ni bi eyi bi o de ma MPP Osun Kokroko Amanyoku na mitia midofo pa madam for me bibia e friend Cynthia
nice one
yo owo kwapeman mitia no papa ba bi obi o tie mi a mitia no papa
oh yeah mo kwapeman
yo
kwapeman secondary
pache yo
okay ana me ba o hontina
nti me ka che ne ya wa hwe no so yedi ama o ya administrator yo na ni etusu bio enchia se me betena ha yo emimia no se me kirem no man kirem yi mpanyi sa wa saka koma no wanwam no ko wan sakura nkaye se menchia incoming president Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia the man of destiny menchia na chese kama nkasakura nkaye na fe nyame ba osi ade yo abeji Akuapeman yewura Sami Ewoku lawyer echian papa ni MPP abusuaku ewo Akuapeman ni omangana ni na na wo ka se Obrenpon wo say I say ye twa brighton ni day wo say
mutwa ya che wo
brighton ni ye twa ya che opposition kwa ye twa da there be se onyankopon hira wona wahira wo otamfo bonsan won't mean say woda de onyankopon wase hye soro no ni osane obi ntimi nchechire de ochechire obi ntimi nsane no de obeye bia na wo de behira wo se wati ase nti mpanyin bu bebi se enye sikani afani premeni yeri ya preman for dawo enye ne yenhwe obi asasa ohwe yasa yewo nti okoma nso de wo ba ha no we andress ya na yese wa makura nkaye yewo ye jibu program ni dipa yewo ya dasi yewo
na constituency today ma
enne constituency mo sheki ma Obrenpon na wahin napo the incoming vice president by Claudia Mua betia himfo mu bedi nkomo bi so Akuapeman ni ebeye Akuapeman be fa ntoma pefira na yakoyanim na po ba ha no ese wani ensa okakire enti se NDC fo work bi no mo ye nipa 17 ba bi nya no bi na obehwe nipa etugu okrakropon abonten so a odwen ho awonti ase se MPP ye Akuapeman so ye MPP enti ebedru wa na eye soronko pani behwe papa e dia mi se bia me hu no e bia so betwa mu e me hu obi ti so no sa obedi adanse nipa eye MPP kalesi nko
wow
na o hwe said ye J eye papa no fe so no so odi edinko ti na megina eye aha studio ha akakire na pose oba ha no komanfo so agina to mu papa yesa nka mo meyemu ne edinkura wa ha mo agina to mu be pebre no wa ba ha no wa betranse oni Akuapemanfo so akasa na said ye mo agi MPP atomu no ye nhwe me obi ma mese ye school ye de ba ye da bi me kwa de me ba me nua no me kwa me peso beba me go me de me ba ha yo mo ntama ntimi kwa me peso beba na makasa asara me sore ko me bia gu musa de bi be ha bia asara mo ye o musa Clinton ba de ya ete Clinton ba de ya so o ye hwehwe ni mu ni ade ba be bo mpa ye wo mra nya sa nya de nya sa nya de yo
okay Clinton yan chadi anache se e wo se ye bo modern na fe ye bo wuram
thank you
na enne yensem a egu apaso no ye shase na ye sisa o mu kama
pepe
okay si ye shase a minority Our Mashibigum.
What is
Sambia Babetugba? Was a driver's mate is not qualified to debate a former experienced driver.
Thank you.
His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, or Frank Tufo, Dema MPP Amanyo Kuno, Mom Fred Mahama, John Dramani, His Excellency, Mom friendly debate, if it's a possible na one minute.
Midasipa Hanu, program no, o send ma me pe we na ye me ade am beka nwasem. Me pe kwa de aka nkwa me nka nwasem. Yo. So say a former brofo nya sa.
Yes.
Inti ade a twem.
So one wo experience.
Me dey me hwe experience no.
Drivers.
Grandma. Say brofo.
Yo.
Brofo.
Yo.
Dia me te ase na me kire mu ha.
Okay.
Inti former no nkwa na me te ase.
Come on me.
Inti former no ade a twem. Na ade a twem de. See enka ho asem. Us kai said last me beka ha me ka ogwanfu bi o see dey bi kentin to ano na me see ye o. Ye say obi aka. Na fe den na fe wasori abai. Obi e wawu de. Wo ye former wa twem, wo ye den sorry. Na Ghana ha me ka da bi a kire oblenpon. Ensi da. Na it will be a taboo. Say ohia ye tu ade so. Ye san kofa ba bi o. E de yin. Afi me kire mu ye. De enti o se o mpe debate no. De enti a o mpe na me kire mu yin. Papa no why to say educator driver. Odi wani mu ehu. Odi wachi ehu. Ghana position bi a wadi bia, wo se wadi bia wadi bi. Nia oni bi e se obeto ande o makola dwem. Anansi be provincial store dia mano. Asan. Wadi assemblyman paying. Deputy deputy communication minister. Wadi MP. Wadi minister. Ana why act as a president? Ewi na Ghana for say there be yentimi ma wo act ne emfa position ne ma wo. Na say ho ne ye ka pe enkofo abuafu. Ne ye de man no. Na de enhu wo mu ne say the entire Oslo debate ne say he is the only vice president or the president ebu oman. Na ne president who said there be obronpon papa ye oti wo nchen. Uso man say on Mandela market. Enkoto brode mra wo. Brode na obai na wo say 2 million. Brode so dey bay. 20 cities. Enti wo seti enquiries one who said there be papa dia kofa bay yada braka.
Clinton.
I heard about me call.
Okay. Sa committee no watch away. Findings be na ebe.
Yeah, major. Findings e ba ye ni na ne say embroya eyi no kofa ba ye no. Na there is a bribe in it. Which is fact. Ye ne Ghana ha. Na wonim me to aso.
Documents.
Oh, what day na me yabofra.
Okay.
I cannot come and sit here
with
this comfortable chair and lie to the public.
Okay.
The public out there, the pardon wo hono. Omu ni mu desin but Nyankopon na me yadom dia betra. But what you say? Enti the all what say. Sa asem ma me ken. Fofia ntoata. E ojare na bam. Ni president na sorty inquiry wo hono. Papa e koda wan sorry. Eno de ye ntimi nkan wasem Nyankopon hye ye. Nti wo de nkan wasem.
Clinton.
Pacho meja dan beka wa hawo enya mi nkwa na mi kan o endi for dan kasa ya we enti di obin pontwen enti di o hwani se ye wie ye na papa ne ye no ane ye di usi Ghana mbra ne ye do ye president na anka ye te hei anka mu fie ha anka maso generator nkwa be ye plant nkwa be 16 e wa ha fidie mu ha ne mre so enti won't be debate no debate di enti won't be na me bobo so no nye se me biti abade no me go straight to the point. The enti on pay debate no ye there dum so sa 4 years and everybody can attest to the fact say which is fact it's true and nobody can deny it. Enti see everybody be tell say papa na oba ye there budu nsomu then after what dey ba oni hwode baba enti debate no ma osuro digital mind no papa no you see a man of destiny ba obia itima bobew on hwe book so on hwe phone so on nya hwe but obeka no said ye tie pepepe off it on me ma say ni 24-hour economy be bisa no e wo hode dawo it's working me no me yenu esu utwa otokura menim ba o me ada wo menti asofo ene empanyfo bebi otwa oto wode ma yenim phone so say prepare ya be prepaid ba o me ada wo ma wo phone app na dey attack phone so enti 24-hour economy e working bank 24-hour work is working filling station e working. A 24-hour economy na se ne den wo bi se omo a e se edun katia se e wo se omo mo yadwuma wie ni na mo jaram ko yadwuma na ajo which is force because Ghana ha yedi na yakwadwuma na adwuma yedi na ba fie Inti light rupe baby use light pa awesa era najo obi ko first focus wache say e o se eton wache anajo na me yefu nyemi ko di wache najo makoda ko de bu akowu 24 hour economy no ubisa Mahama o kiremu say na 24 hour economy no kra abo aben ono hina it's working working Ghana ha radio station mudumu no muhamudu na Debbie it's working 24 hour economy it's working. Enti 24 hour economy ko fa wen de ye ne say yesi Ghana ha me see da no obrimpo na me kwakra me don see yeti kwa moso ye de atena kura che beja mpate what ase ye kwakra se app yi bi map yi bi na me boss ba ko de share ni kem he wodu na waka brofo eboni no ba obi de bai o see you can pass left 30 minutes time you reach here let me say hey ya brofo mo ko fefi ni na ba obi tete ni wasa o ko bank e be ka kire o say hwe landmark hwe mami bi store o ko da store ya page fi ope wa yira say it's no more exist ye kwa brofo sa no enye bibi ufo nsa no a ye nyina ye bedi ato se betena fa akunda bi papa ne de ewiase nya na eba Ghana drone Africa he nyina ye ne yesu drone wo system ba wo miansa no enne mangwase obi owoka obi eduru a ese de komo no ne bi ni ho drone pa na ko yato mangwase ados na ko yato ye de ba no hana bisiu ene me yeso say ya wo misa question no hana bisiu their national women's organizer says drone na eyi eba no ebetwitwa eye mamefo adeja but say na o ya we ena so ene na mensa misanfa document me da which is fact and nesadi ni na ba eye juma nti debate no ontimi or your former papa ye current enka former asem bi o yesi former president or do kura ni wusa o kata say former after so was it the investment
yes
sir
yes
Ghana
I know the say asema
the constitution a Ghana papa ya fa bi o kenkan ya menye bi mekenkan ya kire wi na ba ntie mi su bi so ma papa yi afa bi ya o kenkan ba bie ni ho a ye kire se Ghana ha vice president take decision you are an advisor to the president no may take it or leave it a vice president ain't me implementation but the idea then say yewura baumia de na don't say Mahama or ma yewura baumia kwan so nyadwuma the vice president yantin nkan wo wiase a one kasa 2 and 3 the late misata because of Sergio Mahama or your post conscious se praye kwa no ko bia no abekwa ko bia no misata nkobi ni yetin nkan ne se o ka kire ne yire se ko na ko ka kire teacher for se chow kra mamu bi and yetin nkan and on na ka kire ne yire se onko na medisi no misata se mote o te yesi papa no yes so be contest papa no yes so be contest primacy bi pe papa no so ko jim misata no oh na woni krom ha ada banti na wo yesa no
da bi cleansing
abanti na wo yesa no oh my yena me no oh my me no wodi fo fe oba that's what wani ayira papa yi ko jim na anopa na yire aye ti kakra ma no na okojim aba se jim ne to no so se ye ne den yu shim
cleansing report by
no mo se den
we really
obin po me see abanti na obisa sad
no report no
my na unka report asem oba ye pe what they tell
so documents
I have it I can produce it to you any moment from now manu say me be ma papa yi kwajim enti maka papa do te say etiqueta odi wani ma ehu udi achi so ehu ni hu enti debate no on timi ne timi kina
okay
free SHS no te back me de manosi no e be say papa enye na wo kan ye say una de free SHS ba yi Ghana fo ni re huro e pise fe mo like manjo en for papa jai o kro waka bi wo bre papa bi say nyama ha de ba yi waka bi obia mu say eye the legacy of anado obelanchi okuapema ha ya o aheye okuapema mu no obelanchi enti papa Mahama yi debate no why we did that because Ghana how mahu say free SHS na de enam e mean say papa be ka se wadwan ko munya bi ni wa bai omo be dokun ye to ne sen say no na obeka o meka we akura kwa ba
Clinton Medasi.
Medasi pa.
Yes.
Yo. Adam Manwasi.
One year si bacho.
Oh my enti no.
Dabi 1 year si baby na de wonso.
Dabi no my enti kind time pepe obi ansoma ne so onye late. No. No that dey fata mo to obi ansoma so onye. Masa wo ba baby a. Do time so. You can't wait a time here.
Clinton.
Yes sir. Matias here.
Ne me call ahemfo mpanyimfo bi nche.
Aha, na mo se den.
E wala take.
Yo. Ho dey me dey.
Bafo.
Omo se toilet na bebi o ho no.
Me ba. Clinton ma me nka sei. Bafo la bi e bebi o. Ono ye edum hene. Ono ye edum hene. Clinton wutie me.
Itie pa maja.
Edum hene
dey. Ya be no book.
Edema eye.
Nsem oba chro dey.
Lache Kubase. Ono eye Nana Obrewado. Ono so ye eye Latakuna di chiame pe. Ye ko won ho. Na Bafo la bi a bebi o. Edum hene. Ne yire o friend ma Salome.
Thank you. Utia no.
O so obrempon. Eye aka kire wo mpanyimfo na oni wo. O se wo kasa won to won bo ase ne yeti ane nye nkoma bo. Eje Clinton mesrew.
Nti asema me wa fo hesi e. O se yemi shi no.
Ko no ka kire.
Ba so amu medin.
O dabi wa o se mpanyimfo amene won
edi djuma no. Papa yi na oti we do chest person so.
Me da se Clinton. Ma me nko eye Owusu Berima.
O cho den.
Director of Communications Dema NDC Amanyokunu. Director of Communications Dema NDC Amanyokunu. Dodo na friend Obi. Ewo Kuapem North Consensual. Obi, me mo akwaba.
Obrempo mi jewso.
Na mbo mu jiden.
Obo ada rahuruma adum na hwie.
Nice one.
Yeti ase. So that make tai ka chewo no. Mi say a Christopher gidi bi say Nyankopon ya adom a. Twidi ampo Nyankopon Yesu Kristo be sansen bio. Nti Ghana fu nyina ya gidi say John Mahama esan ba bio. Nti nyame ya adom a eno 7 December referee na bo aben no. Ya pon match no. John Mahama ereba. Na answer na meshe medwumadi nase no.
Okay.
Mefa konya so achia Honorable Ahmed Abonyaji, or the youth organizer for NDC Akuapem North. Ono asai assembly member for Ochitri Kokomi electoral area. Emeso be pie Akuapem ha ni nyuma eswa ni para. Obekaya last week kwesida. Mebwe we Akuapem he nyina otonsafre wo nyina akohia wa doso ene wo yenhia mu. E board the 24-hour economy ho de ho echewo. Mebu nso energy para esanse wonu se na me adom na se John Mahama ba wonyina benya won chefa 24-hour economy nim na energy sem on kasem esanse wo hweni PPP mu na eso ani para enyuma reba nti mebu no eni agi na mafa akonya sunso achia the parliamentary candidate for the NDC Akuapem North ura ye friend John Evans Kumoji why be pen da bia na me kan se nea onna tena asomda no sabi oni na chinje ni obetima yibi dan why be dan so eni ni chim Evans obi a sabi obre no ho ase oni ye na atena som yente se enuanum ya wote he ya da bia wokofa candidate baby foforo eba obeka ya wo se utu imra na wache siwa utu obeka the MP now honorable Nana Adokuya yebeka 2016 okofa ne bai ni mdo baby a nurse ni okofa ne fi baby bai and what ne bai obeto no share yenkonso na owanfa ogunga jayen sabi anko odwene mebunu ene ne manfo odwene ye ho a anko nwan enkonkran ene on asanko fa fraba oso frɛ no owura Samia Oku da benda no so da ise sabi obeba ha esensa ayefo no on afa ye nkwa nti no sese no obese wodi di won sa pepa nti no eno so enye adwuma Clinton ya wo nyinara no enkosi aga e ka cha go no from asa da bia na ya meka ne se apata ya hantan esa ne nsu odamuti na da nsu ne bewe no ane be apata na behu bia obefa Obrempo be kai se we kai wo se unim se NDC area launch campaign e wo Tamale nyame adma 27 ya memreda o mampanyin John Dramama Mahama ekopim e wo ho akolanche the NDC campaign ye won sempa e magana fo sane esi show the 1992 constitution IFN the People's Assembly ye frɛ on oton nam ogwam won oton dokno kwayofo obi akuafo won oton koku ni ade edu obi adwenkyere bom and the show the People's Assembly ye be launch yen campaign. And the campaign will contain our manifesto, what we plan doing for Ghanaians. Sena ibidano, Ghana funu se bitima ide, ibitima ye. Esanse mra COVID BP mo, Ghana ha, oshe UGMC, the largest and the finest hospital in West Africa. Oho Nekufuado, Kofe Wayari nyina wadu wonkwai, UGMC. Oshe Terminal 3, the best and the finest airport in West Africa. Ibi ni mumeng bebia, ni na John Mahama inyuma. wohwɛ nnwuma ahorow a John Mahama bɛyɛ bi te Bank of Ghana Hospital, Sewa Hospital, ɛnom ne ade ɛfɛ ɛso ani. Eti Ghana fo wogye di sɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a Mahama ba nsɛmpa ɛbɛfim aba. Ɛno nti nyina ɛnya gye di sɛ Nyame yɛ adom na sɛ owura Mahama ɛbɛbi a Ghana bɛfa no ntoma pa yɛ den ɛfra.
Okay. Obi, yɛtua yɛn nkɔmmɔ so ɛkum still. Obi, yɛn nkɔmmɔ so deɛ minority in parliament ɛde nsɛm bi aba bɛtogu a wɔsɛ driver mate de ɛsi dɛ nanka ɛyɛ ɔsɛ ɔbɛ debate experienced driver wakaka 4 years na ɔwɔ hɔ ɛsi dɛ na driver mate ɔkɔni nti ɛnyɛ possible nya adeɛ bi saa asɛm wosom dɛ
Ɔbɛmpɔn kwatwe kwa so bɛma ntoma na wabusa ne din we ɛnyɛ kasa tenten ɛsan sɛ kasa tenten ntopɔnkɔ wotena meka no ase na yɛnwura woman akonya na nka ɛbɛyɛ mede sɛ wanya akonya sɛ yi ɛyɛ Clinton obɛtumi akye n'adwene abɔ nneɛma dahuru ma Ghanafo ate ase na wabɛtena ha wakasa tra saa ne tiefo nso tie ɛwɔ akyi sɛbi ɛtiefo nti ne ɛte a ɛnyɛ ho adom na wada horo ma nkɛ ɛnyɛ ho adom na wada horo ma anka yɛni ha ɛsiane sɛ yɛaba ne bɛbɛkyerɛ adwene sɛnea ɔman no ɛsi kɔ ɔman no pɛpɛ mu ne nyina yɛpɛ nti woto yɛn yɛra asase ni a wosɛ dɛn ne yɛ dim nti ne yɛpɛ nti obi a ɔyɛ Ghana ne biara no ɔman na ɔyɛ dɛn wodwene ho the nation come first before political parties ɛno nti ne yɛwɔ ha na ɔbɛmpɔn wɔbɛkae sɛ mmerɛ a ɛyɛ John Mahama wɔabɛn mu a owura Bawumia ɛne Akufo-Addo wɔ akyi wɔka nsɛm pii wosɛ the exchange rate will expose you mmerɛ a John Mahama Ghana focus wɔpɛ nsakram na wɔpɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Akufo-Addo ɛne nkurɔfoɔ nso bɛnyɛ ɔman no wɔhwɛ woyi John Mahama fii hɔ no wɔbae ampa Ghanafo de ɔsɛ bɔ ndɔm ɛdi wɔn akyi wɔbae na the cedi was 3 cedis 80 pesos and the cedi na yɛ cedi is moving around 15 cedis 16 cedis na da bia na mepɛ sɛ mekae wɔn sɛ ɔmanpanyin John Kufuor ka asɛm bi ɔsɛ economy no ɛnua no ɔbɔtom ɛnɛ Ghanafo asetrem ɛte den ɛnɛ you can't even afford 3 square meals a day ɔkɔm ɛrekum Ghanafo how ne amane and your name as a bibia obibia enye I didn't make us for the first time in history all labor unions went on strike it sounds of my day enkoyinti na sabi mate ni a wako force be driver chi na monya adwuma what make catch all drivers who driver no crowd nim kaka e ba mo yan ka o say he is just only a driver's mate car no ontwi bi da na car wontwi bi da no ene yemfa mama no kotwi na fa yenkɔhwe ase wo no mate wo no driver crowd car nim kura no sabi enkoyi ni emphasize first time on na na ya ono krampo station master ono esi station na nyame adom mo de car be scale amuludu no wo sare ya station master edidi station master atem obeka se na nse oku pm wo eye Kumase owura na poko gina car se ko car se yemfa ye Kwame Nkrumah no esanse won wonim na Kwame Nkrumah ya magana won an na so dai se ebri bedua Ghanafo bibusa won na mibusa won hai eto da bia na sabi ɛyɛ asefim esanse wanya hwɛ ama wase a wanya ndɛn ɔmmɔ no kron esanse sɛ Kwame Nkrumah bai sankwa mɛyɛ ne ma biti sakoso modama anka nyina nka ne man kɛnya wɔ hai anka enti hane motorway ne ade ɛfa so anka yini bi wɔ hana state house ne pedua se amokotwa ti ne ade nom anka ebi ni hɔ na obai economy no be fa ne den na wo de akodu obai not even a single megawatt na wo de wetim da kan the national grid ho enwuma amegyina ha mebobo yi yakma wakonya se bonu annum kra ontimi mu bi all you continue mention is what free education wa brand so ya no so no ayen kontompo me na wote hai yenim nyɛ kɔso wɔ secondary schools ni ade me ba na me na makuya ma hwe school fo wɔ nam kwa ho ebi mpakyɛ ni wɔde bɛkɔ kra wɔ ni bi nso wɔn atwe wɔn nyina de bɛkɔ efi aka sɛ na obɛya obɛkɔ wɔn fi ana obɛkɔ school mu ayɛ asɛm foforo you see da bia na me kan sɛ atoro kyekyere wo saa woni hwe abɛyɛ o obɛtena na efi okaka wadwene keka saa Ghanafo a na ye ni wɔn di nkuma na wɔn ti yen wɔ ha wɔn nyɛ kɔso wɔn asetrem ɛnɛ bayire kora wɔn ntimi ntɔ no ayi owura Bawumia ɔbɛmpɔ wɔn ni ha na owura Bawumia ka kyerɛ yin sɛ the dollar cedi no wɔatum de credit ama IGP nene akosi den when you came and the BMK say you took the cedi as 3 cedi 80 pesos and 15 cedis 16 cedis and then petrol 1 liter na John Mahama time what on 4 Ghana cedis and you see things has exploded and then me say SITAC is on strike because mashi omba unni so me no say mobile is my SkyTrain project and no ye hu ye nkontompo ni ada ne adro ade amode mai What catch you man for some 1 district, 1 market, and you see who ye. 1 district, 1 factory, and you who ye. Go and debate about these policies. Anka Clinton and Yakunya, the deputy youth organizer. And Yakunya better ha, or better more MPP no. Anka baby the sank or better hay. Obenya Kunya and watch Ghana for no Ghana for. Titu look up mine. Essence ye were hey, ye chefa, 1D, 1F, any baby. Yen chefa, 1 this 1 market, any baby. 1 is 1 theatre, any baby. Nyaka yina yenim. Mo sori abosha kese anamhye. Na obrempon obeka se ba omiako pimo no fo obeka ya na nansa. Kwahye Ghana fo nyina bo se ono de obo chefu na Ghana fo nyina ma yusu. Me etua 11 cedi. Obrempon kai. It's spread across everywhere. Also be my mobile phone. Na mobile phone no yetua ne 111 cedi. Na menua. Yetia yi okomede wo. Adwuma kura wo ni biye. Na phone no nipa no so de be ma wo no. Se bi yemfa ne bo se ayampampo. Isansi yeti hey yenim sa atoro de ahye woma teacher fo kra wo share 1 laptop teach 1 laptop no won san kan ye wasa ko jena be so ba mo phone na phone ko de mo nipa na si call be to credit card gusu na bi wahi onipa no hia adwuma ye onya adwuma ya subscribe be na brabom obenye no be to aduan ye den adi onko sere eni isansi phone na order my so ngutu 11 once bi oni bi obeda atra enkontompo 419 promise e na ahye mama e ka kire mu se Ghana fo atra ho ye po bi odweno man no ho ye pene be your man be ko nanim enye sa nkontompo ne atro politics tra na ye Ghana tra sa na me nyina enti na John Mahama ka say the People's Assembly 24-hour economy or the be create job for the youth especially also ba on obe create women's bank for women empowerment. All these things are come also on your bar obe create the youth ministry. Essence Melbourne, we are the largest age bracket in Ghana. Omani ko so nyina dodo na agya yenso into oba enwuma horo be den ebe ba mayi nyina mo bia nya ne chefa e wo 24-hour economy.
Obi me da say Clinton most
yo.
Oh 1 minute.
Wo pekura can in seconds.
Oh 1 minute. Fat you feel na.
Wo pekura can in seconds. Na de o ho ne say ono ne ka wo se kwase obe fra onto mo atiri din. Za na o kan. Na o ka se papa bi so oba. No papa na o ye hina. Wabade da o wadi president da ye hu ni nsa no djuma enti de omo kan se oba ai se obi a woni president da oni vice president da onye hwe da mon ka se ba ko na oba e no feli ti afedi e wasua bibi ti o se oba obeye sei papa na oba ya na niam nyina to fom se tim okan o se ba o mi ase obema phone once the okan den o se ne wo abuchira yetimi de credit card agi phone ni sa ne mane no ba sa de besi bi da on de o ma bi da nti so ka se oba Ghana fo gidi since papa na no so on de oyogwanfu na on de sese wanyane no on de o se oyogwanfu na sita fo de ekwa de yetie na ye Mahama time a obeka kira wo se masa mi nti obia ono ma Daddy Lumba djum be ye adwum wo Ghana ha ye nti obia Daddy Lumba no wajine djum ne di da nemum papa ye di be kan ho no odi di nko akiri pa nti ba omi anka na 1 cedi and is for the non platform social media once or say oni tekos one more tekos one kan on betra ha say ya watro na on monko tu fi on ko tu baby ani fi sources no on ko tu baby fi also ni tekos for no be ye ba ko na yetimi do credit card wo di agi phone credit card ne bi o Ghana oh ubi when I catch was in Ghana. Oko me wo bi. Oko me save wo Absa. Oh. Masa bank account o Ghana. Masa bank account. Masa unse me ba mu na unpe.
Credit card go kan ye go fa.
Me go da go dem me pe.
Say me your trophy ba o me aka chesi. Obo bo mu bia bank account. Anu ye wo hifa. We are we ne crazy ampacho.
Me da so dum sa agwe na me pe. Me na me pe ne sa.
Wa kan we duan hia ma.
We mo say me na me pe. Enti me be hia ma. Enti do ndi o kan yesa na o kan enti ati afi wotew.
Okay.
Afi so so mkoye People's Assembly wo in Temali. Amukoye we kropon kura ngaye. Temali. Na papa ni den.
Okolanchi won campaign.
E de ben na onye wo wi ase da. Ni onye ye no enye news e mai. Nia Mahama ebe yo Ghana onye ye nyina ne se nipa akakraman asa
Clinton yanko yensema
edi na we do to me meja ye wokura wo ba mbale eduma ne yesi wejai en ha samba ha
Clinton Patriotism
na ya brand go
so sitak fo I withdraw one striker walk because one near maybe no was a few Bosumi Cran Canyadia one salary was it? Yeah, which you had him on Saturday or Maba was it what the 1 year ma Gua strike no one calling one withdraw.
Medanya Mia Sepa Nauni teacher for day a MPP yen tam kasi se ibisi form na eko se na yen this for day amukọ hyehyɛ nkrofobia achi monko strike monye se Ghana for are decent teachers omunnim ne ekọ
meba one withdraw one services Sitak for one withdraw one year sorry what's one call what's one just say
ye ni omu chene maybe ye na sumpa omo ye their president omo association president
yes
omo say omo hwe no ma call the strike off bisa na me ma me net ya
sir release and they are buy
na me chiro say recent you see just now me na me tie yi ho
okay
Sumpa TV hey ya mo hana mo ye
ana na hina na not so na no kasa
omo president
because mini president no akasa obinma
yes
mini na so ye be na obehwe mi phone so
na okasa boko obi
wokoye meeting bi
ana mi ka kire we enti twa na mi ka na won twa na adan una ye host ana woje post na woje host na fa
obi say o yes na Clinton
obrempo ni bibi yete da bia me ka say tie funti ne wo ha ye ba ha ye ma ye kasa no ntew esanse wo hwe won so wo da to won de ho akasa wa bontin na say me nua wo kasa se na wo si kan kasa isu a nyine se ekoyi da bia na me ka kire me si insunti ana bata ya den aya hantan na se insunu yewa abata obehu no bobre
opekura mo nkasa otare
obrempon we are
opekura mo nkasa otare
records and official releases obi ultimate na radio so kana adwene opewu wo te o ka wadwene obi nsi u kan because of democracy papa no wo te hai you say sitak is still on strike.
Yes.
They have said
they are
going back. You are misinforming Ghanaians.
Listen to me. Say what by me time 2 minutes. Sir, me ko ndi ma we check mami. Me o ho ni say man ka say o ma call o strike no off. Me say o ka say on betna si no ma share no resolve issue man kasa o ma strike me say me tie
one president kasa asem o kan
sanetning NDC fo no minimum so ma test o message say hackrenting na dia na minimum
obi antes obi amesi ko de ka wasa
minimum say me be share program so da bi oba obosi epia no aka o ka kase na me say nya we minimum no de yi bi echi bi ani hu na phase 2 obrempon ne o woni say ye ka say MPP for day ye mfa echichafo enimu ye fom na mmom eye saasem na omoka no enye sese ye o eye ade amha time wanye o enye no se ye betena se ye se akufu ado ba ye na ese ohwema wo mu eye ade a omo demand no ache apale enti se wo ne papa ne ka obeka kire wo but ya no mu bedi no mo anisa na so omo bosie ye ya nka se ye be hye mu na eda ho no na ye omo dwuma moto no but ye de se be ye oyo ya ka chichafo za jubiro ya ndaroma no motete ye meya amuno motete ye meya amwoye saade nyina e de amayen no mabe ya chichafo achechirefo achire ye made enti ntimi inform animu nya form da enti ye behwe na ba bia kwanda bia ya mama ko classroom na ba makatu yasem omoniema om allowance research allowance ni sa nyema ni na behwe ni de amawom pache what yase enti ye chichafo ni so modawroma adobere o na yentie de omompanyifo no omoka no na omko negotiation table a omonye ntum na omkole strike no off na yenimu se omode ose be yoyo na omahwe na omakọ classroom na omo teacherfo na omonso enche ombeba no abekire made no mama sa yenso afi na obrempon ye no afi ye babe wi ye man se ne be sa enka ya no nko a ekade oni ntuma nko ankada bi enka egu asafo because nya ntuma ne nko me bem me wie no kura no ne ye ho ne se teacherfo ide said ye we mu bompa ye se nka wia mo ne nsuo ntongu saade yesu yi ye twam wo yesu de mu nyankopon mo ya hoden na yar mu mpa yo mo do mo na ti fo mo se da bi teacherfo no kura ba mo nko classroom no ye twam wo yesu de mu biu na yaka kire onyankopon so mo ya ho ahoden ye no mu nhia na eduru ho a omko the strike
medasi
papa
CTAC for I withdraw services in it was just strike. But it's one withdraw one services and Clinton me pacho. Me pacho Clinton. Michelle Pa, Michelle. So say one withdraw one services in nam July crash ma catch on July mo on chia one ka one free one salaries no. I say most of them.
Yeah, Brempong MSA and they can a school training college near the Uninaye me yaw para isan senya hwekra no nuanom wo ha wonso wo the various training colleges a Ghana na hwe o men ya wo hwe adwumayefo asabi wo brepa wo wonwom ne ade a untimi nyi chichafo emfim bi isan se wan na wotete wo yemu frey na on abeye sani su dachi
de kabiso mo
ko man bi si ya kabiso mo ko fra yetete wo no won wo kra o man no na eba ne den ne sitak akọ strike for more than 6 weeks na otwe asia na echi ni they are still on strike na obempon ni so o man yimra no for the various tertiary education no e ka bibi say strike action biara koso after about 4 weeks no the school must close down it affect their academic calendar me no ka say awo for aboka ama wo ma nuan sika ne ade abetena school mu be na otwe asia na echi won hwe homa mkrampoda na ebe ya obetwe won so hwe kura no aya asem esanse wo hia chichafo no ansa na watimi akere won so hwe apase chichafo nsu na nnan onwa ato agina yi nti mofra no on asem aye mobo osumu a papa na mum na America che mofra no se wonya gidi wo John Mahama esanse John Mahama penso ye hu yi bida e wo the various training colleges John Mahama penso one cause strike for more than 6 weeks John Mahama is a listening president. Now when say strike awokwe enye na efi ase o when say I'm giving you records 5th December 2018 this just went on strike no bu say strike yi kra wakon kra denti kra na wakosa strike ni nyina ne say emre Akufo-Addo by pe no say hey all training colleges we are going to award you people with degrees am of free school nti who pass out you pass out with a degree I ask papa nem teacher fo nso e kire wan ade you migrated them
they have been posted
teacher fo a child training college na American teacher fo a child nyem free so yan teacher fo a child they migrated them to the tertiary payroll this no be your child university polytechnic ade no otia wonka na mra o migrate won besi ne migration enya adwumaye enti akatua wo detua people teacher fo ne ade kan no woji kan no anua no wusuje but one what transfer a drop policy. So once you have migrated them, you must pay them this salary. Na obi sabi people teacher, no be professional teacher. Won't mean train people teacher no aketua bio. I say we train professional salary teacher. Yeah. Nene e ban say nene akosi say. When they ban share 2018 angusiaga. Me no say they went on strike again on September 1, 2021. Teacher for bio. Okoya ban da one was an e ba bio. They went on strike again in August 2023. Last year, Bill, when you ban Kasaya and was a more friendly overside, Ako. On for all the processes, Abain Sabi on the own tijai. Maybe I know Reka be John Mahama. Also, you went from. She went from Nisu and Namuri you. Yes, we went from Nisu, Nasabi, more than a ding. It's as a morning teacher for some working. Sam Rakans Pepper. Obrempon says strike our queen. It is legal. Not even the court can compel them to go to the classroom because they've met the National Labor, the Labor Commission. They've met all stakeholders. They've passed through all the processes. It won't have yet. Now, GTEC say we freeze one salaries. They are telling GTEC say, so we freezing salaries. We will still go on strike until you pay us our what? Our entitlement. Obe kai say, Nancy, you talk to call strike the same thing because of these same things. Na ya say abanya na adwo say on the own tie hwe me ne yinu ma anka on chief no be frɛ won sabi obi en ho mfom o man no yenim se nesti ahokyere wom esan so man atete papa nsam sika o man nyina ze ne yeni hu ye hu ba bia den afa enu ti na ne mutimi frɛ won no na so moye agya bi anka mo da dworo man no ho a sabi obafom a ana se wofom ba utimi pa ne kyɛw man yi na mo de na ba ne den sise mo asɛ o man no I am contompo. And this time, go down for America, be say, more than more by much one city Ghana phone. Where you have some. Try, American say, None be American, John Mahama on your bar. and now the renewable John Mahama so ba nyame adoma mmeda munyina munti also ba oba be CSA training colleges manaso edi esanse enim so in say bra no wo ho no infrastructure development equals to training colleges John Mahama so many of them oko PTC a the FB says Sun City there's a teachers bungalow that's 16 bungalow John Mahama NBC unma cultural now ni yawo and then omana tetewa ma Clinton minum ka mensha wo yawo obeka sa obetwa wo kaniem omana nkoyi nti wo obetwa wo kaniem me cultural it's on record I'm telling you his people will call hey opa for na bugo mashi or former assemblyman member or kwaboso he's a assemblyman who ahuchinti who aben mo so twa kaniem and na hwe how Ghana for name teacher for
Meba. Obi. Meba. Me to ase. No, Meba. Obi.
Okay.
It should be bacho.
Obrimpong.
Come on.
Oh.
Mame.
Which is not right. You should withdraw that statement before you continue.
But what
kind of this thing is that?
Focus
on this thing. Now me I catch them who hear me say
time no cross 1 minute no wait for my mama. But your withdraw.
What can you can open personal attack. I can do more than West. I can do West thing. And you know that. Don't go there.
Michelle.
Unim say ya bahei sabi na bia make say TF until we don't talk to misinform.
No quite. But
man you see what man you see about bia
Martin
into Clinton won't me. I'm not here to attack your personal.
You attacking my personality. Because all the boost me asem bem. What we fear asem ba. Okay?
You mic can walk on into just relax. Obi.
But what the meeting bem say you chami kan yemu a. Which is I can say.
Nia wo kan makachen obetwa san onko ho bio Michelle. Yes. Why Clinton? You rebata so please me bacho.
No,
but Obi, ade me person what you are say. Minimum. But use your microphone mami. Ade me person what you are say.
Listen, Obrimpong, aduma we. Ti, ya ma say ba be do obi hu fewo.
Dabi,
abesre obi. Meba. Na baby am fiba no, e bia na wontimase. I'm not saying that to attack the integrity of Clinton.
No, but
essence meba. Mama no see. Essence what here madam para. What you say? Ya kasa wa ho nso ye nkonto kwa wo. Tekrema ne se. Anu na de ye nu.
Sanity.
What na me kanati. Ye ma se be ko ye nkonto kwa wo. Enti se me kan sana hawa, me twe san. What na me kanati. Nemu oman na ye omu no, ahokyere a ye fam ni identity hwe ni ho ekoso. Ene me no what ye chichafo a wo twe ni kolo atu agina yi. Oman ne nkoyi ma wo. Essence their salaries has been reduced to the what? Gutters. Bibia ni ho ye adwuma. Ene okogwa so a Clinton Obrimpong tomato water na hin ogwa so. Ene brother ya hin. Ene barre ya hin. Se be more brompo ye digu nsu nkoyam kra o ba bia woyam no kra ya hin. Ene bibia asai kan milk kan keto no 2 Ghana cedis. Ene I do make oboto bia just say 8 cedis and 10 cedis. Na sika na hin na eba na wonya bi e de akoto. Ene ti chichafo ngatu agina. Ene kwanso ara ni. Yes wo achi a wonti ase. Ana hu nia we essence won ya ban na hia impenduru be edu ani achi since 2018 na sabi udi obi ka na wa ba no so wa be dan ne ka so wo wonti ase into we freezing salary
obi mi da ase
wonti na chicha fon ka won trase no won kasa akoma ye ne nto wo boso no go back to the club because mo friend na sabi what it won yan ma wo and then so be bia no it will come on the future generations.
Yes, me da ase obi me da ase
Obrimpong
Clinton ma ko mamra from
me dey me bunfu but the no problem ni o woni say me problem ni say ye wa hey un senka ko de be end you betimi akole the teachers so omo hwe na ye nan your mangana but omo de ebegu enwu ebebo emmo enene
se nya meka nyina Clinton one
baba kumpu but the one say wo ho
obi
emergency from oba wo
emergency Michelle
who say JTech should freeze their salaries. Is this a good call?
Michelle
enye
what the emergency
free one now one trust na one kana sumdwemu freezing their salaries will not solve this problem.
Emergency obi Michelle
unze ene maye eyikura wa mo midin a kamimba na yimkura so wa ba mimusa
mention pacho men come me
ni o ho ni say asem o kan so memo aye dinti ye twa meka ne mu no, which is not true. Gomashi. Oh, no. Akọ mframam. No, akọ mframam. Enti the meka ne say it's not true.
Okay.
ECG for ebe ye disconnection bi wo kwamoso a. Madam bi owo ye nchen e friend diner. Owo ye nchen. Omu yi na homa free soro no ebi kan me. What you say?
Okay.
Inti mi kura ma frɛ ECG for no de ka me mpese me ye me ho sɛ me ye party ni ananse bibi sa no.
Okay.
Me nya me ho sa wo kwamo so obi oni me bi ani mi. What you say? Omo mo yo mo ho kososo kan ya no me nya bi bepem ne obi oni me bi ani mi sɛ ahoma no mo fa me hye ma me. Ye sɛ medical. Na medical kura mpo a enye news. Does not matter say we MPP ni ntino wo de ka ye sɛ bi twa kan ni. What you say? Ahokyere na ɛwɔ hɔ no. Obi ahokyere wɔ hɔ a anka joma ha ma time ki akon yema eno kwampu yentimi anton yema ene yetem bepe mu sebre
yanko ya same di so ba two fi oni yanko emri ni ho Michelle
de me pese me kan ne se teacher fo no ajobere wo ne oho bia e wo sempanyin tenase no mo no mo kasa na yeye no menim leadership se ombehwe mo no matenase na omo nhwe sede oman bebefo no oman boyefo no e kasa no na emom omo nte ase na de oho bia yen kan dachi na fe yen kan wasem na emom personal attack de me ba program so amenye bi da na I have prayed not to do that to atuasan ya no problem you should not go there again yen sa me kɔ hɔ a amoso a obogo masibidin ti wan hwa na me kɔ hɔ a me wan hwa me nkɔ for the obetimi attack in straight which is wrong for you to excite some people say you twa kanim to over radio so a the kasi you twa curtain kanim ana osankan wa ha o kan say me pa yem fegu machi magiatum but on 20 magiatum medasi no let's move on
Clinton all African games ye wo man Ghana mu wa afia na David uwie na me ba no wa
so the rebuttal is 10 minutes
no
the rebuttal e kura man kasa wa na asan be and me say Clinton ayade wan ka say Clinton ayade
all African games ye no afi mu ha ya na 28 hotels a sports ministry ko jei de som na ahwoho no bepe me na won sika no bi enkoi ma woni abre sports ministry so anko pese wo ye kire ni ade dia ba Mustafa receive sports minister the center of Betuga o say hotels you want to one boy say na when you scar say ska we betu am who so then
yo sad it na me say ball now you organize you know me say sikasem no enye Ghana ko ani organize
what 3 minutes
no problem no 1 minute kura me de bekasa Ghana fo betie mi
come on
yo enye Ghana ni organize all African game nti sika wo say ba na di tuatua ba bia niam ho panyifo say otwe bibi na bibi kuna say bibi kura mu enye say ya sheda ana Ghana sika na ba bidu sports ministry ho ana sports minister ye say sika say o de kono fenkoi nti na o kan sa adobere o ye de ye nkonko ye te say Elvis free ankra na mo ko Brazil ko ton kube ba ko pe no na ye 50 million kube ba ko pe no nye Elvis free ankra na mo time no ye de bibi be ye no to boase be kasa because Ghana sika the history I been twemuda yes sir Ghana sika dollars digu premu my brain kese ye ma ye call Brazil ko chairman krofo wehu enya no bi ba ye de ba ne se opa choro ba choro bia eno is a fact and it's on record say every yankra baby a wo kire Brazil baby a wo kire say ehimfa ne ton kwadu brodo no yetimi ma $50 million Ghana sika what you say na ho na judgment debt brofu bi ba say judgment debt na okuja to abro kwa yedi anim wo ba ne de amawo what you say entinya no bi we de sere hotel for Madawroma minister akan yi de yenim say Mustafa de wa kan obeye na yensi say sika no nkogu Brazil nkotokube 20 million kube ba ko pe 20 million afọ ba Ghana no be super chew se me poma chew ma ye boni mo fa nchemi obema wo tinusuo na awreho wo mangana ha yo se ma no si
there be one see na me just say be na agreement na we are on hotels for no coin apa ho asabri atwam enti na hotels we woni am
yo agreement ni say papa mi hodi no mi nkasa panyin say obi nsitu do matoa ena waka ho asem no waka say adwobrɛ sika no enche ba bedu obɛhwɛ no wasettle bia sika no meto fund mu a untimi emfa ntua what you say yentimi mfa yensa nkɔbɔ man sika mu fa ngogu Brazil and emfa bi nkogu Togo ye de Ghana he sika no ba ye de betua mom hotel fo mpacho motimi kan adwobrɛ ye de sika no be mamu yo no kwabrane be kasa yide na chese ayi me da Ghana kwase
all African games are of course 28 hotels.
Boteman sports say yeni MPP na ye ho no mo kohwe bi
Clinton where we are
Debi Legon no sports no me say Boteman no a sports complex Nigeria for ba mo say matter Nigeria for ba mo say e wo Ghana ha no mo fi say ha ye Dubai na me say Debi me catch the guy Nigeria ni guy bi amene no wo no say hey Ghana ha na wo sports say e kropon ho nyina what you say? Inti saadi we na ye dia ma o man Ghana.
Me da se Clinton.
Na sika ni yentua.
Me da se.
Me da se. In sika nkotoku be o Brazil.
Obi Mustafa Isif o say one second sika we betu at this 28 hotels no. Na say sika ni wonti nka won to won boas man.
Obeka so man Ghana sika sa. Obe start.
Amefa akonya so. Nka bibi nche watifu ni wa ha ni bi otie. Aya na etaka bi say we should be correlative. Eso bia wo si abotre. Wudi okumachia wanhwe waka ne nse oka nti ye ba ha ye man kasa no ho entew na ne ye ka bibi fa personal attack anka oreka say na anka megidi se na ewasu ehunu no anka mo John Mahamadin enka nsem bi esa woka esan sa woka sa nsem na you are attacking the integrity of John Mahama yet you also mebo afri nketi afri Edin former sports minister say wa fa $50 million ne ade obempon aya na me yawo say obi tina na okasa asem ya untimi interrogate ni esan so onya okasa obempon you are the moderator listen obempon mama no si manu si betima say if someone so obinya akonya e wo ha na obetra na so okasa tra sa obempon entwai esan se yeti he wo me yen ayewa yin no kware da $50 million otam mo kwabran ne ni $50 million $50 million sa I'm telling you see asama obeka uni adanse wo hono uma yenka esanse ye ba hai obeka nse mebre usi mentwuma no nsan matwa san efe yenka kasa ho tew ne yemfa inform Ghanaian special okuamanfo a etinye wo ha na ne ye ka all African games sabi edi so man ye wum mebu na wo hai eni je ball ho America 2 eni je guru ho anything all African games the 2024 edition ye host to Ghana na impo esan ke ye host ni 2023 nemu esan economy a nenkoye aho kire ni ade wande it was shifted to 2024 esan so ukohwe the official records it should have been 2023 me na ukasa stadiums na ade say esi ni ade na katese ne proye akoda ho it is the most expensive who are yet to the whole world e bi ni ba biara e wo Ghana ha National Cathedral bunga dawo. You are spending more than $340 million on National Cathedral. Wo bra dankra no yentimi nsiye. It's on records. E bunga ne boye den e wiase nyina Ghana ha. Unim. Na ye di agro ni nyina awie no. Na ya sefem ya wo ni se sika edi hye wo nyina no ene hu ba bia sika no efai. Unim. Emra wo frɛ sports minister wo parliament se omebu nkonta wo se na adwumadi ni koye no no. Kototo papa so. Wentimi anfa krata bia anko e dia dance bia se sky wo de ma me me de yese na ne ya o ya asefom ne se over $240 million bu achi a ehuma bia ska na ide afa na obempome ne wo hai unu se parliament is a house of official records isan se wojrem emani the various constituencies in Ghana me hwe bejemu fo a wo ho no wojrem emame wojrem mawo okuapanfo ye wo ende so gbon agya Honorable Amadou Kuya yehumba bi owo okopi mo oto sports minister nano sabi na nimgu asesem emaganafo esanse nema koka nyina nkontompo ni ato obeka se nanse yan ye call for instance Australia visa scandal. These are some of the corrupt activities that amne abanwe Honorable Pius Hedaji visa scanner mobile ban 2017 moko pimo Australia so the fake visas na kwai wo bon wo twen won san by and then answer last week ya Norway under the sports ministry watch yes one wo hwe mabunu and e gold in that so they went to Norway was the fake athletes na kwai and the Paralympic team wo de kwai no wo hu ba bi won afa you see mama corrupt keta se ne proye amna bang na ma se no obi kura person ka bibi etwa gemu kura ontimi nka esanse okọ the finance a ewo ho oba education a ewo ho oba sports a ewo ho okọ baby biara ewo ho all the various sectors in the economy there's corruption there adintiana there be na make say corruption perception index wo bra ne wa ben muso jo Muhammad mu hu bi da watetewa pansam me say our worst is your best performance ye wa ben no the whole was so sad na your worst performance and equal for the best performance so far in the last 8 years in his administration. Mama no see Clinton me Clinton me see wonya akwanya sa me ba o kasa na mayedi na woni
Clinton you have Clinton I mean your time to just rebuttal so please
Clinton ene equal for the ba ben mu ye sports development what has been his achievement so far wo brand na John Mahama and NDC abang e wo so Ghana Black Stars essence na sahab na inshira e Ghana suntino Angola yekodi second year by the following preceding years we always qualify to the semi-finals and we bring home some medals and now by akusi African Cup yekodi ni abafie African Games what do we do World Cup akusi den katase ne proyon amne ma bang na ma bibia mbeyebia no enyi ye kanso amuse munye den momfa obempon ene de yabedu ni yabedu yi se ye kananka mutia anka amedu bebi ebedu essence bibia ka kire mu bia no muhunu se ndey den e ade bone essence efie ndisifo ho enso ma no me ne wadwene ne di boma ebetima den ebu mana yi ne nan se yamokofa yi live by ne de musa so that say 11 kura ho le nyi bi unti musa no rekọ but we fought against that this thing is not good for Ghanaians muntwi for mukofa PDS by PDS more by a nin back more by today it was corruption and today this same corruption and today this same
maybe Clinton maybe sir wasem the far way hono sports no okotwetwen every year ankra mu nyina e be wrem entino maybe mo no so ubenya you also have your time to rebuttal maybe
na obrimpong nia oka kwampa sabi
ordinano si no abem
Clinton oh yes sir program here you better see
Clinton you have your time to rebuttal
I knew that way better I knew and now me my topic now you should make sure say
obrimpong
also be part of it because where you programmer one day dia mayen say you be cast sports wansem enti you be cast sports wansem and talk you leave yourself which is not fair
microphone enti medema no risi kra no ensem bi okan ya na sabi medwene ho a menti ase say wakukuru $50 million wakukuru say dey gule aeroplane why say these things are not factual there be make say Brazil 2014 World Cup ayekwai modern boy ko boy eni je de ball meme Ghana fu nyina eni je there be make say under our leadership wo hwe baby jet asamojan he became one of the best known players in this whole world. Indeed, under our leadership, he won the BBC Africa Player of the Year. Under our leadership, Mike Lacey, we produced so many stars because we took sports very serious. Internet timidi yen kasa boy ebo say ye be niema. Cape Stadium, John Mahama na ABC. We share the various infrastructures or the bar, football development and sports. Na ye nika na efe. Ye pese ye Ghana football say ye ba these same things we are going to do. Ye to ton we papa so say ni enuma be ya onga share ba wontimi nye no. We will take the youth seriously and we are going to make sure that we empower all the youth. To achieve their potential.
Me problem me masam ye ba kope.
Me too.
CSC ye beto to aboabo park so a ebetima ye. But mama ye hu se o se ye betena ha ebetimi aye. 2 we bata ni o mu amepese me kan ni say sports asema ye kan ho asemu my creation asema ye kan ho asemu my creation time obo no bo say nye NDC asemu na prayer bi akora no say NDC we MPP onye party asemu o ye Ghana ni de me pese me ma me nwane ti asere no enye NDC mireso na MPP mireso ana my creation ye say ana we ye Ghana asemu
ye Ghana mpa
enye obia
kana ye be shemu nti
obi
wotimi nya ebre e ma sabi won agordi no eso ani woti ase
obi ma Clinton kasa
yo
Clinton ba first na ye
ni o honi say ne ho say strategy and I understand their strategy. I understand their strategy. Me understand the strategy.
Say, yeah, baby, share sports mukina. Under our watch, African Cup, look at our performance. We took the game seriously. Olympic Games, whatever we went, we performed. African Games. It's all major. No, because politics. It's not politics. We are talking about initiative.
Strategy omo say Clinton ba yenye ni say ya na ebeye te say ebeye fe na ebeye de say Ghana yebekọ yenim na anye bibia yebetwe obi asan say meye NDC ninti say sports ko ye kura make senko ye Ghana me sports duru ho a me hwe MPP NDC I always support Ghana Blaster. Even all the EPA I support. Whether a him for I supported. Ain't not necessarily say MPP ne was so and NDC ne was so.
Okay. Okay. Abuja Okuman Radio 97.1 megahertz. Okuman Deuru ana yeguswa yebo ede mamono. And studio no I am very heated up. Send what come on. Ye be phone lines no. Motie so na adwenkyerɛ bi ɛwɔ ohwim o contribution bi a bomode na frɛ na yenye wadwenkyerɛ mfam mo adwumadi lines are betima frɛ so 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Yes, we have just about some 3 minutes to pick the course. It's a young call line. So, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Pacho. Good evening, Akasefi.
Me did the Edward, because every Kitamante.
Okay, Edward, Chawagin Yanko.
Now, I mean, I'm more empty. Almost 7 months. So almost 1 no Edicasa. How Clinton or Casa? I better say, I promise you the steady in your Cassiano or what? Mama, I'll be 54 billion, 10 no to boom. More by with the girl of 40 up at the 6 billion.
Okay, Edward, me da si bebre o points no ya che o points ne pa Edward. Yeah, that's a pa 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 na yen eje wa adwenkyere. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. No, maintaining 0551 667 755 na fe yintimi nin komo. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. No, me ba cho mon check. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba cho ni na Akasefi.
Ba cho me di Tio Flo.
Tio
free Koboduma.
Koboduma se kire wadwen yanko. 30 seconds. Kire wadwen yanko.
Wait a minute, Meka Krobo.
Okay.
MPP BMN kepene abanga studio ne sometimes I muni to kan a party yellow a candidate on me defend the piom nyakwe. Aja kameneche male na abinya madeke na ba over the past 8 years no na manya madeke ape no papa ko ke hadana ma. Ne le no na Ghanaians madano na ke ma vote ami. Lo ode meke mama eyi debate ogbe in my life and college. Why you debate or be wamba? No one my people more dry.
Okay, Tio. Thank you so much, Tio. You're asking baby in watching 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me bacho ni de na Akasefi. Me bacho twe wo radio no kakra ma me why?
Metaso anything na o kaka o. Metaso bi tani say
Mahama, drink so no, not prepared or hana. Now, say this and it says, pretty no, and only a Diani, I beg you what.
Okay, yeah, that's it, baby. Young AJ 17. Yeah, bring this. Hello, good evening.
I even know what
Nyanko Panda Roma and Way Pa. Maybe I already did an Akasafi.
Maybe if you would man command. Okay, pay me Casafi for you.
Okay, Chirawagan Yanko.
Yo, let them assume you for the team. Now, good position and the Brazil. I'm in some kind of quiet. Now, I'm saying, I this, you know, of the stock. Chenchen of Tukura, what me pan of him. No quality of me, Ghana, put me here. And people in your party, what was called credit? Credit was, if you be sub of bracket to Akurana, waiting at the MPP are banging highest at the wing. But you be sub of bracket to Akurasi, then NDCI, what do you mean being canceled out? In the play, I'm in a say.
Okay, yeah, that's it, baby. We'll go for the and wagon tray. Yeah, that's it, baby. 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 0270 191 971. Yeah, pick your last caller now. Fee, yeah, friend, sorry, Jumedi. So, Clinton, 1 minute far up here, now. Yeah, sorry. Okay, come on.
Yedi kind say, Meda, MPP, Abusiaku, Momo Free, Nedo, Masipapa, which is a machine. Mahine kwachiri pa yo yenkoso na afi yenuna yemwa na okoman inu wachiri na okoman tumpon.
Last caller na yenko me ba say hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Maintaining hello, good evening. No,
yo. Entina na de make can say e better tie phone na ase.
Hello, good evening. No, maintaining okay, Clinton come on.
E better tie phone na ase. Say de eya ye kan da no ye betena ha enye ye ntokwasem. NDC ni MPP nye ntokwasem kora. Na the same time eya dom bi no Nyankopon de adom ye betena ha. Ye nimu nchen adasa na e wachi ho no. Wo baby mu ye professors doctors mo nim de sen yen ti abetena hai ombe pesa ne se besipani ko ni haban ye wo bi ombe twiso no mafa ne ye ne nim se ye de NDC ni MPP gina ho de ya o man Ghana bia obi we discerning person bia no will take an MPP against NDC.
Hello, good evening.
Hello,
good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba cho di de na kasa fi.
Yo, ya fami go ma kasa free akusingo.
Kire wa gani enko.
Yo, aya misra yenua no mutai. Aya omo kasa. Omo mo boase no omo kasa no bro. Na omo nka ana me microphone be ka akota ko. Say ya na ya Rwanda ni Somalia ni Liberia ni mtakwasi ya ma o man participants am misra wo mo.
Medasi bebre. Kwenje medasi. Obi.
Oh, man no ansi.
Fesi mame.
Hey, na I don't know obi na aba wa no sa.
No, young time aso. Ye wura time.
Ne o ho ni say obi wa hai ono enim NDC for ye no mu na o platform so omu say ne man nko ye omu so mawe enti say they are beating about losing battle ombe wiayen ombe yese ese ye no no de ahye microphone tirim omani mu say ade ne nko ye they know say it won't happen the ya mo ntombo asi inside to mo microphone no say ebeku ye no munyai oti here wonim.
Okay, so Mr. Patrick Amponsa
me amini say odi yapon
dodo na friend dodo na oh meba obeko dodo na friend so omemo bi ontina make dodo na friend Clinton or deputy youth organizer dem MPP amanyoko no ekuapem no consensus oranbo ya da say obi bacho
I'm say
30 seconds na fesi mam bacho one say me producer e mame we me bacho yanko
Clinton obempong ye beda atiefo asese omaye akonya na ya betina abekye ya adwene na America nyina say NDC launching campaign e watamale omanfo nyina meka imagine ya chi na nye fefefe nyame aduma ye memreda obia wa went me anko no so it to be captured live on all programs especially on all radio stations whether Facebook or anywhere. John Mahama is bringing hopes through John Evans Kumoji the parliamentary candidate for the NDC near Mr. Oba constituency here with the first party to rule over this constituency 99 that is Honorable Achimfra Kumi nyame aduma sana yinuma bedi eni no yedim puntu eriba ya brabo they should all rally behind John Evans Kumoji in 2024 for.
Okay.
That's
Let's say. I was aha na brebe makwang na yede enne Okuman Dawuri aba na wie. Me executive producer Mr. Kweku Boatin Dodo na Fred KBB Afei Nana Kwame Perry the finest me programs manager. The entire production team our Shishe Jumedi Imame K Brown McFadden Okuman Bruni Zigby our MCR and the entire production team our Okuman ha and the bomb on the entire team D say Jumedi. Miakasa Midi Jumedi and Wichami meeting at the Enke Obrin Pong Yakupon Yadma Joda Yebesa Yeshia or Casafriso Otafrija Mate Wonka Yankopon Inchiro Bia Makramo.
Ayuko. Me mamunyina ayuko. Me makana for ayuko.